Hello there guys and gals, one lovely morning to each every one of you. Driving. I bought something that I really love for breakfast in McDonald's. It's sausage McMuffin with scrambled egg. Come over guys, hop in, join me for my ride. I supposed to have a, what's this? Something to fix with Sir Bill, but I think he's still asleep. He's still sleeping. So, be the first one to bite. Mama. And I also have a pancake. So, I texted him that I'll just go out for a while. And then I'll be back. I really miss eating this one, guys and girls. When was the last time? August, when I came back here from Bicol. Bye for now.